again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to a new video, guys. So today we are gonna get these nails filed off, but we've got this to try out. So this is a new dust collector from Melodysusie. So I'm excited for this. So I'm just going to get it open. We'll have a quick nosy at it, what it does, and we'll remove these nails. Right, so it says on the back of the box, it's 24 watt. Yeah, 24 watt. Oh wow, guys, look at this. It's pink. So let's just get it out, shall we? Right, so it's bubble wrapped. Right, so we'll look at that in a sec quickly. So it comes with your standard, the last couple of e-files I've had from Melodysusie come like this. And you get the plug that can be used for UK, EU and US. So that just goes into there. They are tight to get on. They are tight to get on. And then that just plugs in, and that plugs into the dust collector. So let's get it plugged in and get these nails removed. Right, so it looks like it gets plugged in at the side here. Plug that in there. Right, so let's have a look. So this is magnetic, this cover. So that comes off, and this is your filter. It's got a little bit of little ribbon thing there that you pull, so you can take that out and clean the filter. That's sticky. Yeah, so I think you can just pull that out to clean it. That's handy, I like it. So that's easy enough to get in and out, isn't it? I like that. It's magnetic. So here's your buttons on the side. So that's to turn it on, and it's got a high and a low. So let's see how loud it is. So let's turn it on. It beeps, and it's got little lights there. Can you see? Right, that's it on high. Oh gosh, it's blowing everything on my desk. Oh, so it's got air blowing out the sides. So don't have any paper or anything around, because my papers are just all blue across the room. Gosh, that's strong. That feels strong. Right, so that's it on high. And that's it on low. Yeah, so it's sucking the air in here, and it's blowing it out these fans on the side. That's really nice, because it's really cool air. And it's blowing right up my chest, cooling me down. This is going to be fantastic in summer to keep me cool while I'm working. Right, so let's give it a go, shall we? Just bring you in a little bit for now. So I'm just going to cut some of the length down on these nails. Gosh, that thumb's a bit thick. So I'm going to use, oh sugar, I like to use a medium bit when I'm removing my nails. And I'm going to put it on 12,000. Can't really see because of my lighting, but I like to have it on 12,000. So let's go, let's test it. So it might get loud. I am just going to put it on low, guys. I'm not going to put it on high. I'm going to put it on low, because I feel like it's powerful enough. Yeah, I feel like it's powerful enough on that. So I'll probably just show you doing 1 or 2 nails, and I'll do the rest off camera. This is so awkward on camera. I hate filing my nails on camera. Let's pull this closer to me. Right guys, so that's them all filed off. So now, whilst I'm at it, I'm just going to get my cuticles pushed back, and I'm just going to get my nails ready for my next set now, which I think is going to be a builder gel set, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to get all my cuticles pushed back, and then I'm going to use this little Melodysusie cuticle bit just to get rid of all the dead skin around my nail beds, cuticle area I mean. Right guys, that's them all filed off. I've just put some cuticle oil on and some hand cream. So that's them ready for a fresh set of nails. Not sure what I'm doing on them yet. As for the dust collector, yeah, I'm really happy with it. So I've already opened it, look, so this is the dust that's come out of it. Isn't that a lot? Yeah, I'm really happy with it. There's no dust on or around. There's no dust on or around my desk, so, and I had it on the low setting. I'm really happy with it. It does exactly what it should. These are available in pink, These are available in white as well. If you're not a pink person, you can get them in white. I'll leave the link for this below. I will leave the link to the drill bits that I used as well, and the e-file, and it'll all be in the description box anyway guys. But that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.